Hi guys, I'm no expert on Brexit, but it does seem I was right about another Brexit prediction. The plan to rip up a whole load of EU laws looks likely not to be going ahead. So in this article from The Guardian, which I'll leave a link to, which will no doubt anger arch Brexiteers like Jacob Rees-Mogg, government ministers have begun the process of a full-scale retreat from ditching thousands of EU laws by the end of 2023. Now this follows mass cross-party revolt in the House of Lords. You see, it's very difficult for the Tories to simply push things through the upper chamber when it isn't part of their manifesto. As predicted, opposition outside Parliament has come from pretty much every sector, including environmental groups concerned about protections to the environment and regulation, trade unions on issues of worker protections, and even the EU itself, as Brussels has been worried about Britain going rogue in a number of areas. The bill's scope was to have more than 4,000 EU laws which were on the UK statute book after Brexit to be automatically scrapped by the end of this year. Exceptions will be made based on ministerial discretion. However, one of the biggest problems Parliament had with this bill was that both houses would be excluded from the decision-making process. You know, Brexit was all about taking back control for government ministers, not Parliament. Now, there seems to have been an attempt to amend the bill at some stage. If you remember, some weeks ago, a secret meeting between Labour and the Tories was held where they discussed Brexit. It seems the retained EU law bill was part of those talks. A member of the House of Lords privy to the discussions said, "The penny has dropped with number 10. There is a recognition that unless they make concessions, they are in baby out with the bathwater territory. They will be causing legal chaos on many fronts for the sake of pleasing Jacob Rees-Mogg and the Tory right." But within government departments there was major concern about how to deal with such a plan. The civil service was worried about the resources and staff necessary to implement the bill. So in another case of a Brexit idea being half-baked, it looks like the bill will be dropped. So how can the government save face and keep Brexit supporters happy? Well, the new plan seems to be to get Kemi Badenoch, the Business and Trade Secretary, to announce the ending of some redundant EU laws that would be removed without any pushback from Parliament or stakeholders. So this in theory would let the government off the hook, allow them to claim a Brexit victory and avoid the damage of such a stupid and unworkable idea. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think. As always, your comments are greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot.